So, of course, we got a lot to talk about today, a couple things that are going on, but the big one we always have to get to first, and it's about taking accountability. Because if shippers, insurance companies, even the accountability for freight brokers, if it's not on them, then it's always on the carrier and on the truck driver. So things need to change. So let's get into our first update story right now. What's going on, my truckers? Thanks for watching these episodes. We always just try to do our best to just share information that truck drivers are sharing to us. And this morning, we got so many drivers sharing this article from Craig Fuller, CEO of Freight Waves. In this title, it says here, insurance companies likely to take hard stance on non-domiciled CDLs, right? And we talked about this before. You're not going to see a change if you don't see the insurance companies, you don't see the shippers taking accountability for what's going on. So in this right here, it states a change in insurance policies could be coming to the trucking industry, signaling a major shift in their approach to non-domiciled commercial driver's license. As enforcement of the new domiciled CDL rule takes shape, insurance companies are likely to position themselves to avoid potential liability exposure. So does that mean that if you do have a non-domiciled CDL, that insurance will not cover you? And do you think that would be a good thing, right? According to insurance executive at one of the largest brokers in the country who spoke on conditions, he expects that insurance carriers are likely to implement policy changes that explicitly prevent the hiring of drivers with non-domiciled CDLs within the next year. The concern stems from the potential for nuclear verdicts in accident cases involving non-domiciled CDL holders, as jurors may show little sympathy towards carriers employing drivers whose license may be invalid under the new regulations, especially after DOT Secretary Duffy has come out so strongly against the states that issue non-domiciled CDLs. So his words of warning when referring to carriers and brokers looking the other way on non-domiciled CDLs, it's all over. So, my truckers, what are your thoughts about this? I've been getting some drivers myself telling me that, even brokers are asking them, to take pictures of their driver's license to verify, making sure that they don't have a non-domiciled CDL and that they have a clean MVR. Do you think this is a step in the right direction? My truckers, comment down below. I'll link the article so that you guys can see it. But yeah, if insurance companies are going to start taking accountability, then I think the roads are going to get a little bit safer.